Introducing our chawanmushi. The ingredients are 2 eggs or 100 ml of eggs, 40 grams chicken, sliced thinly, 4 small shrimps, 2 crab sticks, 2 dried shiitake mushrooms, 8 boiled ginkgo nuts. For the sauce, 350 ml to 400 ml dashi broth, ½ teaspoon soy sauce, ½ teaspoon salt. Soak the dried shiitake mushrooms with hot water to remove dirt. When the mushrooms are soft enough, remove the stems and slice them. Peel and devein the shrimps, leaving just the tails intact. Combine the chicken and shrimps in a large bowl and cover with a plastic wrap. Fill the microwave oven water tank to the fullest. Press microwave 200 watt. Adjust to 2 to 3 minutes and start cooking. Beat the 100 ml eggs with the sauce mixture. Use a strainer to drain the beaten egg. This will minimize bubbles. After cooking, divide the ingredients to 3 chawanmushi cups. Pour the beaten egg equally into each chawanmushi cup. Stir gently with half-cut direction and cover with a plastic wrap. Arrange the cups on the ceramic tray. Press 11 chawanmushi to start cooking.